The night before Christmas, this coin does not disappoint. Now it's that time of year, so we've got a lot of Christmas coins coming in. This one is very exciting. As you can see, it comes in a lovely gift wrap bow, but it's not quite ready, is it? That's better. Let's start our unboxing properly with this particular piece. This is the night before Christmas 2-ounce silver antique finish coin. It is a 24 karat gold free hanging stocking that's in the middle of the coin, 99.99% silver, and the mintage on this particular piece is 3,000 pieces. The gold on there is spectacular. It really is a great piece of craftsmanship. It's a fantastic theme when it comes to this special time of year, which is Christmas. And of course, with that centerpiece of the stocking, it's just phenomenal. Now, this is, of course, available on our website, which is www.emk.com. Hop on and check it out for yourself.